Today, I'm going to show you how to create animated cartoon videos just like this
Hi,
one.
Goatee. Guess what? I learned a new joke today.
Hello, Bunny. I'd love to hear it. Jokes are the best way to brighten a sunny day even more.
Kids absolutely love these cartoon videos because they are funny, educational, and super entertaining. But that's not all. Many creators on YouTube use videos like these to get millions of views and earn money. The best part is, everything you need to make this video, like the script, voiceover, and the cartoon characters, can be easily generated using AI. So in this video, I'll show you the exact steps I followed to create this video, and you'll be amazed by how simple it is. I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. Now, to create an animated cartoon video, we are going to do 5 steps. Step 1 is to create the story. Now, if you already have a script for your video, you can skip this step. But if you don't, you can use Gravity Write. So just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this tool. This tool is specifically designed for creating scripts for kids' videos. You just need to enter a topic for your story, choose a theme, select the age group of your audience, just enter how many characters you need for your story, and Gravity Write will create the names for them. Next, enter how long you want your story or video to be and click Create Content. As you can see, it has generated a very detailed and engaging script for our video. Now let's copy and paste it in Google Docs. Alright, so the script for the video is ready. The next step is to generate the voiceover for the dialogues. To do that, we're going to use an AI tool called Levin Labs. So just click the link in the description. First, sign up for free. Now click here and select a voice for your cartoon characters one by one. First, let's select the voice for the character of Bunny.
Hey, I'm Aracida. I might be a little ditzy.
Well, this sounds good, so I'll select this. Now go back to your document. Copy the first dialogue of Bunny. Paste it here. Click Generate.
Hi, Goatee. Guess what? I learned a new joke today.
Sounds perfect, right? So let's download it by clicking here. Now repeat this process for all of Bunny's dialogues.
Okay, here it goes. Why did the chicken cross the playground?
Next, let's generate the voiceover for our second character. So go back to your document. Copy the first dialogue of Goatee. Paste it here. And let's select a different voice this time. I will select this one and click Generate. Okay, let's download it. And similarly, generate the voiceover for all the dialogues of Goatee. And make sure you name all the audio files properly to keep everything organized. Alright, once you have generated the voiceover for all the dialogues in our story, let's go to step 3, which is to generate the cartoon characters. As I mentioned before, you don't need any animation skills to make this video. Instead, we are going to use an AI tool. So just click the link in the description and click here. As you can see, we have many options for our characters to choose from. Since one of the characters in our story is a rabbit, I'll select this one and change the background to green, so that it will be easy to remove the background later when we edit the video. You can also adjust the position of the character by moving it around like this. Alright, now we need to add an audio and convert this character image into a video. To do that, so start with enabling this to get a higher quality audio. As you can see here, we can either record the audio or you can upload an existing audio file here. Since we already have generated the voiceover, let's upload it. So click Browse and let's upload the first dialogue of Bunny. Okay, the animation is ready, so let's play it.
Hi, Goatee. Guess what? I learned a new joke today.
Looks amazing, right? So let's download it by clicking here. Similarly, we can create Goatee's character too. First, select the image of the character, then upload Goatee's first dialogue,
Hello, Bunny. I'd love to hear it. Jokes are the best way to brighten a sunny day even more.
And as you can see, it is done. So let's download it. And repeat this process for all the dialogues of both Bunny and Goatee and save them. Alright, once we have generated all the characters for our video along with the voiceover, we need to create an animated background to place these characters. So let's go to the next step, which is to create an animated background for the video. And to do that, we're going to use Canva. So click the link in the description and click here. Now you can increase the duration if you want from here. Then go to Elements and search for the graphic that suits your story. Since the background scene is already described in our Gravity Write script, let's refer that and search for something similar to a garden backyard. You can go through all of them and select the one you like. To set this image as background, then click here and click Set Image as Background. So let's make it lively by adding some animated elements to it. To do that, let's go here and search for the elements that will suit your background. I'll search for trees. Now to get the animated elements, just go here. Then select the one you like and paste it on your background. In the same way, you can add more elements to make the background look more lively. Now let's say you find an element that you like, but it's not animated. You can still add it to the background and animate it on your own. So just click Animate, select the effect you like, and adjust the intensity from here. Now if we play it, you can see that it is animated. Looks good, right? So let's try to add a few more things. Another cool feature that you can try is custom animation. So you can animate the elements as you wish. Let me show you how. Just select an element. And as you can see, it is added here. Now go to Animate and click here. Now click on the element and hold it. Move it the way you want. And once you're done, release it. You can adjust the speed from here and click Done. So let's play it and see how it finally looks. As you can see, now it's ready and it looks perfect for the story. Similarly, you can create different backgrounds if you want and then download them separately. So to download this background video, just go here, click Download, and we need to download all the backgrounds separately so it's easier to edit it later. So to download the first background, click here and select page 1 and click Download. You can do the same for all the other backgrounds too. And once you're done, you'll have everything you need to create an animated cartoon video. Alright, now the most important part is to put everything together and create the cartoon video. So let's move on to the final step, which is to edit the final video. To do that, we're going to use an online editing tool called CapCut. So just click the link in the description and sign up for free. If it is not available in your country, you can use a VPN to access it. But if you don't want to use VPN, there's another similar editing tool that you can use and it's called Clipchamp. And once you're on this page, click Create New and select the aspect ratio. Then click here and upload all the animated character videos and the backgrounds. As you can see, it has been added here. Now click on the first background. Then drag and drop the first character video we generated like this. Now to remove this green background, click here and select Remove Background. Now enable this, click on this icon and select this color. As you can see, the solid background is removed. If it is not removed properly, you can try to adjust the intensity of the slider from here and then position it properly in this frame. Then position it as you like in the frame. Okay, I'm going to play this video.
Hi, Goatee! Guess what? I learned a new joke today.
As you can see, now we've added Bunny. So next, let's add Goatee. But as you can see, right now Bunny is speaking, which means Goatee just needs to react to Bunny without speaking. But here, we only have videos of Goatee talking. So to get a video where he's just listening, let's go back to Adobe Express. Then select the character that isn't speaking and disable enhanced speech. Now here we have to upload an audio file that is completely silent. To make it easy for you, I have given a link to an empty audio file in the description, so just download it and upload it here. And it's done. You see, the character isn't saying anything. Instead, he's still making some small movements and blinking his eyes. This trick is perfect to make a character appear as if it is listening to the other character. So let's download it and place it near Bunny. So let's see how it looks now.
Hi, Goatee! Guess what? I learned a new joke today.
Well, that looks good. Now similarly, add Goatee's video to the next dialogue and place the video of Bunny reacting beside it.
Hi, Goatee! Guess what? I learned a new joke today.
Hello, Bunny. I'd love to hear it. Jokes are the best way to brighten a sunny day even more.
Okay, here it goes. Why did the chicken cross the playground?
I'm not sure, Bunny. Why did the chicken cross the playground?
To get to the other slide.
That looks great, doesn't it? Now we can make it sound more natural by adding some sound effects. For example, here we can add the sound effects of birds chirping, and to do that, go to Audio and search for the sound effect you want. You can listen to them and then drag and drop the one you like. Then adjust the volume and you're done. Okay, now we have successfully added the sound effects to our video. So let's see how it sounds now.
Hi, Goatee! Guess what? I learned a new joke today.
Hello, Bunny. I'd love to hear it. Jokes are the best way to brighten a sunny day even more.
Okay, here it goes. Why did the chicken cross the playground?
I'm not sure, Bunny. Why did the chicken cross the playground?
Much better, right? Similarly, you can add more effects and transitions in the video. So let's say you're switching to another background and you want to add a transition effect for that. So to add transition effects in the video, just go to Transition and select the one you like. I'm going to add this one, so I'll just drag and drop it between these two clips.
That was a good one, Bunny. Now it's my turn. Why did the turtle cross the road?
I don't know. Why?
To get to the Shell station.
And this looks good. So now we have added the transition effects in the video. Next, let's see how to add subtitles. So to add the subtitles in the video, just go to Captions, select Auto Captions and click Generate. As you can see, it has manually generated the captions for us, but the font looks very dull. So let's change that. Just go here and select the style you like. You can also add animations to the subtitles by clicking here. If you want to change the position of the subtitles, just click here and move it around as you wish. Alright, now everything is done. So to download it, just click here, click Download and give it a name here. Select the resolution and the quality. I'm going to select the highest one and click Export.
Hi, Goatee! Guess what? I learned a new joke today.
Hello, Bunny. I'd love to hear it. Jokes are the best way to brighten a sunny day even more.
Okay, here it goes. Why did the chicken cross the playground?
I'm not sure, Bunny. Why did the chicken cross the playground?
To get to the other slide.
That was a good one, Bunny. Now it's my turn. Why did the turtle cross the road?
I don't know. Why?
To get to the Shell station.
Okay, one more. What do you get when you cross a snowman and a dog?
I can't wait to hear this one. What do you get, Bunny?
Frostbite.
You know, Bunny, spending time with you is always the highlight of my day. Your joy is as bright as this sunny garden.
And listening to your jokes makes every day an adventure, Goatee. We make a great team.
And so, Bunny and Turtle spent a wonderful day together, filled with laughter and joy. Remember, friends, laughter is a bridge between hearts, and a day spent laughing is a day well spent.
Well, it is pretty amazing, and I think the kids are going to love this. So this is how you can create your own animated cartoon video in just a few simple steps. So you can go ahead and create some entertaining videos and share them online. Okay, now that you've learned how to create an amazing animated cartoon video, you need a place to showcase it online. And that's where WebSpace Kit comes in. The perfect platform for creators like you to launch and build your own website easily. With WebSpace Kit, you get a free domain, free SSL and plugins to customize your site, and no coding is required. Plus, if you sign up using the link in the description, you'll get a 10% off. So go ahead and create stunning websites to feature your awesome cartoon videos and take your content to the next level with WebSpace Kit. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, you can create any type of marketing content you need, from blogs to social media posts and beyond, using our AI writing assistant, Gravity Write. Just select a template, answer a few questions, and let AI craft high-quality, tailored content to boost your business. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.